Hello and welcome to ActivTrades Biggest Market Movers. Today I'll be looking at the euro against the US dollar. I'll be discussing the recent fundamental developments in this currency pair. I'll also be trying to identify some key technical levels as we move into another all-important trading week for the euro. So on Friday, really the key event for the euro was the non-farm payrolls, and we had another great number from the US economy of plus 2,000 jobs created, and we saw the euro fall down sharply from the 111.60 area down to 110.50. It traded there very briefly, and we found some buyers from that area to the 111 area, where it momentarily stayed there only to fall back down and close the week around the 200-day moving average around the 110.75 area. If we look at the key technical levels this week as we move into trading, of course we're sitting right around the pivot at the 200-day moving average and the crucial 110.69. If we were to lose those areas and stay underneath them on a sustained basis, then we can expect a challenge of the lows around 109.50 to 109.05. And what we really need to see here is that the euro has to stay underneath those lows. It not only does it have to make a series of lower lows, but it has to stay under there for a sustained basis. If we see previously, even though back in July we were making those lows, but we were not able to break that Brexit low of around 109, and traders really saw that and bought up sharply, and from there, it's been a very difficult sell for traders as the volume has really been with the buyers. So what we saw last week as well is that the 100-day moving average really capped the advance, and we fell off very sharply towards the 200-day where we're sitting now. If we're looking for levels on the upside, obviously we have to see a sustained close above the 110.69 area. Only then will traders feel confident to challenge the drop-off point on Friday of around the 111.60. If we were to close above there on a sustained basis, we can then re-challenge that 100-day moving average, and if we do start to close above there, then really that's going to give the bulls a lot of confidence. But at the moment we're really sitting at that pivot point for the euro, and it'll be very interesting this week to see if we can stay under there for a sustained basis and really challenge those lows, or we can see the extent of the buyers, if they have an interest, to take this one up and close above the crucial 111.60. Thank you very much. This has been ActivTrades Biggest Market Movers.